Hello everyone. So this is a quick video kind of showing the up close details of my rotor and my stator. As you can see on the laminations, there is rust on the edges, which according to one of the users on my forum indicates that rubbing was most likely not happening, because if this was wearing at an angle, these would be the first parts to touch, not the part in the very back, since it would be at an angle sloping downwards towards the front if this was off center so far. But as you can see, it looks like on most of the laminations that the front is not the part that is eroded more than the centers. And if I rotate my rotor a little bit, you can see on this side, you can kind of see a clear band on this one. It's still rusty for the most part. And on this one in the back, it just seems kind of uniformly rusty. On the actual stator, it looks pretty uniform. I can kind of see like lines that could indicate that it was scratching at a certain point. And there is a spot here that is kind of clear. Other than that, the rest of it is uniformly rusty. So if it was hitting, it would be hitting right there. But as someone else said, that I would be seeing sparks if that was the case, or maybe even shorts. And this thing has never sparked, never shorted, never had any issues at all. But if you think about it, that area where the rust is cleared, since the starter is there, that's actually where it was sitting and leaning more towards this side from where the rotor was on the front. So maybe it was rubbing right there. That could be a very big possibility, because that's the direction that it leaned in when I had everything connected together. So if they were rubbing, I don't know what that would have caused for damage-wise, but I never saw any sparks or anything, so don't know. I was able to remove the bolt from the center. You can see the 9/16 threads in there. Tomorrow's the big day. I'm going to remove this whole setup right here, so I'll film that on my camera and post it on YouTube as well. So thank you guys as always for helping. Also, I guess here's a quick shot of the slip rings, which look in pretty good condition in my opinion. I'll still clean them up. And then that front little bearing there, well, that's what the end of the rotor that connects to the bearing. Definitely going to get that machined and sleeved to make it look nice and fancy again. Hopefully that goes well. All right. Thank you guys as always, and I hope this kind of provided some good information on how this is set up. Oh, a piece of metal there. That looks more like a piece of the lamination that came off. Doesn't seem like there's anything in here that could cause a flying short or anything like that. Alright, well, thank you guys.